Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 30 Fusion, and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on languages and input and enter languages. And as you can see, here we've got the list of all previously added languages. We've got only English, so let's tap on add a language. And here we've been transferred to the list of available languages from which we can choose. So basically all you have to do is to simply find the one you'd like to set and tap on it. So let me pick Turkish, and sometimes, of course, depending on the language, you will be able to pick let's say the region or the dialect of it. So let me pick this one. And as you can see, the Turkish language has been immediately applied to this list, but the English is still a main one. So in order to set the Turkish, actually, we have to tap on it and hold it. And as you can see right now, we can move it. So let's drag it to the first position. And as you can see, from now on, within a second, actually, the whole system, the whole menu will be in the chosen language. All right. Now let me show you again how to do it. So let's enter the languages, tap on the English, hold it and drag it to the first position. And the same situation, we've got English set. So if you want to, if you want to remove the languages from this list, then just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on remove. Now let's mark the language and tap on the trash bin icon here, tap on remove, and we've got only English left. So basically that's all. This is how to change a system language in your Motorola Edge 30 Fusion. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.